This tutorial will introduce you to the hardware and basic setup of the MRC's lighting kit. Lighting is an important part of any video project. Utilizing a lighting kit from the MRC can make a significant impact on your footage and improve the look of your scenes. Our lighting kit includes a 500 watt Omni light, a 750 watt Total light, and a 250 watt Pro light. Also included are 3 lighting stands and the necessary power cords for each light. The stands and power cords are interchangeable. To set up the lights, open and extend the stands to your desired height and secure each light to its respective stand. Plug the power cords into each light and into a suitable power source. Keep the wattage of the lights being used in mind and distribute the load across multiple circuits where available. This will help avoid an overload or blowing a fuse. Also consider all other devices plugged into the circuits, such as laptop or phone chargers or any other filming equipment. Take care to run the cords carefully and do not trip on any of the equipment. Once powered on, the lights will also become hot, so observe caution and do not directly touch the barn doors or metal housing until the equipment has been turned off and allowed time to cool. For lighting placement, review this diagram, which can also be seen on the MRC lighting tutorial page. The diagram details a basic 3-point lighting setup with a key light, fill light, and backlight. This setup creates dimensions to your image by using light and shadow to highlight your subject and make them stand out from the background. The key light is the primary and brightest light cast on your subject. The key light is typically placed at the side of the camera at a 45-degree angle. You can achieve a variety of lighting styles by experimenting with the key light in different locations, angles, and heights. The fill light is typically 50 to 75% less bright than the key light. The fill light is placed on the opposite side of the camera from the key light and is used to fill in the shadow created by the key light on your subject. You can adjust how much light it throws by changing the distance of the light to your subject. The fill light should not create a second shadow on your subject. If you see a second shadow, the fill light is too bright and needs to be adjusted. The backlight is used to add definition and highlight the outline of your subject by separating your subject from its background. It is typically placed behind and above your subject at a 45-degree angle. A good lighting setup lends a 3-dimensional appearance to a 2-dimensional image. Feel free to adjust the lighting arrangement to your preferences, but these recommendations are a good place to start. Tutorials for other MRC equipment and editing software can be found on the MRC website.